Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a DIY. A DIY for Christmas. My husband brought these branches for like firewood and other things that he wants to make, and I thought we should make snowmans. You're going to need a table saw to cut these branches. I like them because they're white on the sides and they look perfectly to a little thing that I saw. I can't remember where. I think it was a Facebook. We're gonna cut my husband is going to cut these branches with the table saw. If you don't have a table saw, you can obviously do it with a saw or a very sharp tool. Right here, he's cutting the bigger piece with the saw. There it is. I'm going to be using the bigger pieces and the thicker pieces as a base for my snowman. My snowman is going to have a body and a head only. I'm not going to make a 3-circle snowman. It's only going to be a 2-circle snowman. Right here is the saw, I believe is what it's called. If it is not, please forgive me. Don't. It's going to be 4 pieces. See, there's the body, the head, and the 2 little pieces for the hat. The hat are smaller branches and a thicker, like a smaller branch. You know what I mean. You're going to make 3 holes on the bottom body, which is going to be, it's behind. You're going to need skewers. I bought these skewers at the Dollar Tree. They're really long. I bought them a few years ago, so I'm not sure if you can still find them. It's 3 skewers or 3 holes for the very bottom. You're going to make the hole on the body, and also you're going to make the hole on the base. I recommend for you to put them just like my husband did, right where it is. Measure where you should make your other hole, and so forth. Like that. 3 for the bottom body. You can see we're using the skewers to make more of a structure and so it would hold. For the body and the head, we're only going to make 1 hole. So you make a hole on the bottom body and on the head body, and make sure you know where you want your pieces before making a hole. You're also going to be needing hot glue gun and a hot glue stick to make sure that we stick those together. For the hat, we went through the bottom portion of the hat. You can see there, blowing. And then a very deep hole for the very top hat. And a hole at the head. Now for this part, we're going to use a very long skewer that is going to go through the head, through the bottom base of the hat, and to the top hat. You can see right here, I made a little mistake right there with the little video, but there we have our hole, and that stick is going right through all 3 pieces. So it sticks together through the head and the hat. We're going to use our little hand dandy hot glue gun to make sure all of our parts are more secure. So make sure to hot glue right there in the bottoms. My husband did it on the base. I later do the rest of them and actually put the hot glue in the hole and then put the skewer connected with the other body parts. You can obviously cover the hot glue with other things like ribbon or another tree branch or anything you like. I went ahead and went to look for little branches from our cherry tree over there. And I looked for little branches that had 3 branches. So it will look like little fingers. You can see 3 fingers. We're going to put a little hand in there too. Make a hole with our drill. Did I say you need a drill? You need a drill. Make a hole for the drill. Make a hole for the hand. And then hot glue it. My husband is going to shape the ends of the arms because they are a bit thick and kind of like thick, so we're gonna make it smooth so it could go in there. We have our base, our body, our head, and our hat, and our little hands. Can you see that? Super cute. I did leave the wood parts little, you know, the little branches coming out, the little, what do you call it, the shavings, because it creates character. I have assembled all of them. I didn't show you because it's the same process all over and over and over again. I do have a mommy, a daddy, and 2 kids. These are Luna and Layla, my daughters. They're a bit smaller. Look at it, chopped out. 3 branches for the little hands and 3 trunks for the bodies. They look adorable. I did use a permanent marker to draw their eyes and their smiles. I used little pebbles, black pebbles for the bottom, little buttons. And I used a thumb marks suggestion from my husband for their noses. They look adorable. Hopefully you guys like this DIY and you do it yourself. Spare yourself with wood. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.